Hey everyone, Miguel here guys, welcome to the channel. Well guys, today I am bringing you a crypto related video. Well, as you know, if you are on the crypto space, you need exchanges, you need wallets to be able to send your funds to any project that you are part of. If you want to withdraw your funds from any other project out there. And Binance is one of I'd say probably the biggest exchange out there. A huge volume every single day. And I just received today, like an hour ago, an important update from them. And guys, I believe that this can be very helpful for people out there that are using Binance, and sometimes people don't read their emails, sometimes we don't take care of such things as these things that are related, and we need to take attention and be careful, because sometimes, and we know unfortunately there are tons of scams out there, even with relating with such prestigious exchanges, but still people try to take advantage of others. Okay, so stay until the end guys, so that I can talk to you and explain what you need to take care if you are a member of Binance, and if you are not, you can always join under me. Okay, it's a very good exchange. And guys, obviously I'm also promoting my main project, which is Bytnex. But as you know, Bytnex is for you to be able to send your funds to Bytnex, you need an exchange or you need a wallet. So this is also very important information for anyone starting just today. All right, now guys, so here is the email that I got. So important, beware of fake SMS scams. Dear Binancean, we want to alert you to ongoing scam attempts where fraudsters are sending fake SMS messages impersonating Binance. These messages try to alarm you by claiming your account is at risk and urge you to call fake support numbers or click on malicious links. Important, Binance will never request you to call any phone number or click on links via SMS. This is one of the things. Another one is ask for your seed phrase or private keys through SMS, calls or email. How we keep you secure? Default anti-phishing code. So every legitimate Binance SMS includes your unique Binance user ID at the end. You can find your UID in the top left corner of your Binance app. This helps you verify authentic messages from us, and also you can customize your anti-phishing code. For added protection, personalize your anti-phishing code anytime through the security center on the Binance app or website. This ensures you can quickly identify genuine Binance communications. Okay, so guys, on the Binance, or either on your browser or on your app, you can set this anti-phishing code, which is going to make your account much more secure. Your security checklist, so you can verify authenticity. Use Binance Verify to check if emails, websites, phone numbers, or social media accounts claiming to be Binance are real. And also you can report suspicious activity. Let's contact Binance customer support through the official app or website. Promptly report any suspicious messages or calls. Remember, Binance will never contact you via SMS or phone calls. If you receive such messages, they are most certainly scams. Always check your anti-phishing code before trusting any communication. Okay, guys? So this is very important. And as we know, guys, unfortunately, even today, I'm constantly receiving phone calls from spam numbers, from numbers. I live in Portugal, from numbers that are not from Portugal, from several countries in Europe. And guys, this is getting very crazy, and especially today with AI and artificial intelligence, much easier we can get scammed, because people can clone our voice and so much stuff out there. So you need to take care of these things, all right? So be very aware of such suspicious things, suspicious activity, and take into that account, okay? Because we want to keep safe and have our accounts, have our everything very well protected. Okay guys, so this is my video for today. Don't forget down below to give that like, subscribe to my channel. I will leave a link for you to join me on Binance. Also, if you would like to be a part of my project Bytnex, I also leave a link on the description so that you can join under me, alright? And guys, this is from today. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for listening, and I will see you on the next one.